Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. On this video, I am going to talk about two main things. The first thing is how to get a core mechanical job, and the next thing is how to get a software job after mechanical engineering. So, who are the intended audience for this video? The intended audience are those who are in the pre-final and the final year of mechanical engineering who already completed their mechanical engineering can watch this video. So why let us begin the video now. So the first question is how to get core mechanical jobs. So before answering this question, let me analyze the present day situation. Before this, mechanical engineering is the royal branch and the oldest branch of all engineering branches available in India today. However, but in India, as there is more demand for IT, that is service sector or manufacturing industry, today mechanical engineers are becoming jobless. Most of the mechanical engineers are jobless today. And this is because there are many number of recruiters and there are more number of government opportunities for mechanical engineers. But still many mechanical engineers are jobless. This is because the number of freshers intake every year is very less. If you compare to the service sector, they are called mass recruiters like the TCS, Wipro, Infosys, etc. are mass recruiters. They will intake a large number of freshers every year, say 20,000, 30,000, etc. So when such huge number of people are being recruited, so graduates from CSC and IT are being hired every year, right? But mechanical engineers are not like that. So for this reason, they are being jobless. So in amongst these conditions, how to get core mechanical job? I'm going to tell you some two tips that you can follow to get such a job. Tip number one, go and create a LinkedIn profile. Yes, you heard me right. Once you create your LinkedIn profile, start following the profiles which has already a previous experience and who are working. Once you watch them and then analyze their profile, follow their profile, you can see their skill sets, right? You develop those skill sets, and the next thing you need to do is watch the previous year experience of that guy. Let us say he has worked for Mahindra, right? Or some other company he has been working for. That is the previous experience. Now, what you need to do is you have to apply for that company that which he had already had a previous experience, right? Once he had good previous experience, it means you are more likely to get that opportunity that he had already got, right? Once your skill sets and that guy's skill sets match, you can easily get that opportunity. You're not. This is because why am I telling like this? Because in India, the mechanical engineers are really willing to work, not even if they are not even getting paid. So that is the condition of mechanical engineers today. So you should not take it easy, right? This is the most cutthroat competition for them. Even in government sector, there are good opportunities for mechanical engineers compared to the CS or IT engineers, right? However, the competition for those such great and all competitions like government examinations, PSUs, Navaratnas, etc. There is a high competition, cutthroat competition that not everybody can get it. So the rest are being jobless. So for this reason, you should start a LinkedIn profile, get a LinkedIn profile, watch the previous year experience of the profiles which already had some experience and who are already working them, get in touch with them, have a recommendation with them. So use this LinkedIn profiles you can use this and get an opportunity to work with any company. You should be willing to work even not if you're not even getting paid because the competition is like that today. So that is the first thing you need to do. First develop the skill sets and then start searching for the profiles where they have already had a previous year experience and apply for those companies, and you are more likely to get an offer from them. And the next thing is get a internshala profile. The second tip is internshala profile. If you have an internship that so internshala offers good number of internships for mechanical engineers. Like they have a broad differentiation of categories. Go and select the mechanical engineer, and there you can get internships specialized for core mechanicals, right? Try to get those, apply and apply and apply. You need to more and apply for that. Yes, you need to get in order to get. So you are not likely to get offer from them because they it's see most of the companies skip the reply, like hires when they are going to hire the students, they will just skip your resumes because you don't have good grades. But grades actually matter in this mechanical engineers. For mechanical engineers, it really matters. The companies will also see your grades. For this reason, you need to have good grades and then start getting a internship and also develop a good project for your resume. This is how you can develop your resume, and after doing your internship you are more likely to get a permanent job employee status within that internship offer. So that is one thing you need to keep in your mind to get placed in core mechanical jobs. But the bitter truth of this is it is going to be the most difficult task that you have ever done, because there are more number of consultancies guaranteeing you to take that course, so that they will give you the opportunities in to work with them, like etc etc and so on. But those more of many, very, you will have very less probability to get into that. But these two tips really works for you. You have a good touch, we should have a good touch with this, should have a good circular with network with for you. If you have such good network and all, you can easily get this. At least your internship offer, once you get that and you learn something, practical knowledge, you have more opportunities to get work, right? You have good some things to do that. So don't forget to do these things if you wanted to get into the core mechanical job. So let us come to the second one. The second one I'm going to talk about is how to get a service sector job. So, and as you think, most of the students really have a mindset of that, they will be thinking that service sector jobs are morely concerned for ITs like CSE and IT guys. No, it is not. The service sector companies really see for the good communication skills. The first and most important thing is communication skills. So if you have good communication skills, should apply for this course. Though you don't have good programming knowledge, sometimes you end up with a job at TCS or Wipro or Infosys only if you have good communication skills. That you, without having any such idea and with being with such misconceptions and myths, most of the non-CSE and IT students are not even applying for that courses, for those placements when they visit their colleges. So this is the first thing you should need to remove in your mind, that many brand student can get and survive in the IT industry. This is There are ample opportunities for every brand student. Though you are not from mechanic BTech, even from BCA students can also get into the service sector. So that is the most important thing. So what you need to do in order to get placed in service sector job, being mechanical engineers, the first thing you need to do is, as I said, communication skills are must. And then you need to build your resume. How to build your resume? In order to build your resume, you need to have some certifications. If you have some good certifications, you can talk something with your interviewer. Your interviewer will get an opportunity. It's like you will have some time to talk with them. You will have some topic to talk. Only if you can talk with the interviewer, you have some opportunity to impress him. And if not, you cannot end up impressing him. So you need to have good certifications that you can add on to your resume so that you can spend some time in the interview room. And the next thing you need to do is you need to parallelly take, if you are a student, you need to parallelly take two courses like any of the programming languages. You need to have some nice or good knowledge on programming knowledge like C, Java, Python, etc. Any one of the language you just learn. If not, you can simply go for web development course, Android development course. Those are available, right? Many training institutes are available to teach you that. Learn that. It is not really difficult. If you think it's difficult, but it's not. What you think is what you are. If you think it is difficult, it will be. If not, it will not, right? So remember this thing, that you can get into the IT industry and you can start getting, you can get the certifications and then you can go and take the trainings. If you can do this, you will really get placed. And the fourth thing that you need to do is do some project. Though you not see, if you have not done the project, it will not really matter. What really matters is you need to have some idea on the project that you have mentioned in your resume. If you have mentioned a good project and if you have some idea, you can talk to the interviewer. Though you have not done it your own, if you can answer him, that's better. You have an opportunity to get placed. So don't misuse this. If you are prepared, if you wanted to prepare for more IT jobs, be stay tuned with this video. because we will be teaching you and the courses and the strategy and everything to get placed in the IT. And the most important thing is develop quantitative and reasoning. This is must for whether you are preparing for the quant, whether you are preparing for government jobs, like everywhere. Like this is in everywhere, even in private sector, TCS or your core jobs. A quant and a reasoning is really must. So start getting good at these topics. So that's about this video. If you want more videos, please feel free to post in the comment section below. We will be happy to make more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching this video.